Hey guys, my name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer and welcome to my channel about graphic design. And today I'm going to show you how to create glitch effect with the text in Adobe Illustrator, and this way you can create this effect with any shape. If you're interested, please keep watching. Okay guys, let's start. Select rectangle tool, hold shift and create the square. Now select radial gradient. Here we need dark violet and here black. Now let's look. Okay, let's select the background and move a little the slider and lock the background. Now select type tool, hold and drag. The size of my font here 250 and I'm using here Aero font. Okay, now let's write here glitch. Okay, and now let's select this color, move here. Now right click and create outlines. Now select rectangle tool and let's draw some rectangles like this. The size of rectangles, it's your decision. You can create any rectangles as you like. Okay, and move them as you like. Here no rules. And if you want to make the rectangle a little wider, you always can do it with the help of selection tool. Now select all, pathfinder and divide. Now ungroup, and now we need to delete unnecessary parts. Just select them with selection tool and delete. Okay, now select the glitch, and sometimes you can have invisible parts, so here and here we need to delete unwanted parts. Okay, now select the text. Let's look, it's great. And now you need to group the text. Ctrl G. Now here's our group selected. Now select this icon and duplicate the group, and again select the group and duplicate the group. Now we have here 3 groups. Select this one and this icon with blue small rectangle and select pink color and move the shape a little to the left, to the right. And now select this group, this icon and blue color, and now move the shape a little to the left. Okay, unselect. Yes, I like it. Now ungroup all shapes. Okay. Now let's create the glitch effect. Select selection tool. Here is our 3 shapes. Now select this one, hold and drag selection tool, and now with the help of arrows on your keyboard you need to move these rectangles. The same here, select the small one and select the help of selection tool all rectangles and move them with the help of arrow on your keyboard. to the right. And the same here, select this one and hold and drag selection tool and move all rectangles with help of arrow on your keyboard to the left. Okay, it's great. Now select the whole effect and make it smaller. Now let's add some details. Copy and paste this blue rectangle, move it a little to the left, select liner gradient, and here is blue color, here black color, and move the slider a little here, reverse the gradient. Now here opacity screen, okay, and move your shape a little to the left. Let's look. You can stay it like this, or you can make this a little smaller, or like this it will be a little wider, or you can make the shape a little wider and move the slider like this to make more soft effect. And one more time, copy and paste this shape. You can send it backward or not to send it, it's no matter. Select gradient, here pink color, reverse, and here move the slider, opacity screen, and let's look. Okay, now the same, you can move it here, you can move the slider till you like the effect. Okay, now let's add more shapes, more details. Okay, now select the magic wand tool, and here we need 0. Select the white text, group it and copy and paste it, move it here, Pathfinder Unite, move here. Now we need to unlock the background and move the new text and background to back. Select this text, violet color, and opacity multiply. Okay, the shadow is ready, and now you can move it here. Okay guys, our glitch effect with the text is ready. Okay guys, that's all for today. Hope you like this tutorial. If yes, give me a like and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorials. Bye bye guys. Mwah. Bye.